Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Big up yourself, guys. As you see, it's night outside, guys. Normally I don't do these kinds of videos at night because I haven't really been going out night fishing lately, but tonight's a special night, guys. Want to push out tonight? I'm gonna try to hook up on that tarpon tonight, guys, and let's hope we're successful. So stay tuned, guys. We heading out in a bit. Waiting for the ride to pick me up in a second, guys. We are out here, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. I'm on shore fishing. You know, so it's probably dark and you probably can't see this, people, but got my two rods right there. And another fact, I think I have shore fishing always have light, you know. Give you guys some light here, shore fishing. Yeah, man, see the people. Two rod, cooler, tackle bag. Hit that. We are going with tonight. I'll make a big kill tonight, but we have some other gears on the boat still because we're gonna go deep sea tonight. Alright, guys, stay tuned. Deep sea at night, guys, outside. Hey guys, shore fishing here, guys. Here comes the boat. I gotta go string up the boat.
Right the front line.
Yeah. Gotcha.
No.
Oh, no. You was going back to that pole, that's why I did that. I gotcha.
Wrap around that pile and then.
Yeah, guys, I screwed up a while ago. I shouldn't have touched that a while ago. But. Yeah, guys. Are we good? Alright, so gotta get all this gear in here. Yeah, guys. That looked like a ball of fish right there. A spool bait. You see bait? Yeah. And the column is coming up. Floor. The floor, that's the drop off right there I was telling you about. You see that? It drops off into a deep drop off right here. Yep, that's a fish. That's a big fish right there. That's another one sitting right there. And there goes a bait spool right there. That's another bait spool, another bait column right there. 1, 2 bait column. That looks like an even bigger fish right there though. You see the arch? Yeah. That's the arches. The arch is a fish. So, yeah, that's a big fish. So, understanding the fish finder, 17 feet of water, and let me see, temperature 87 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're moving at 2.68 mile an hour. Look at that! Holy smoke! Look at this right here. Big fish, or that's a mooring ball. Mooring ball right there, yeah. I can see the rope going down to the ground. Yeah. But see? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, then one there.
That's like fish, yeah.
Should have been to right that one.
Yeah, right? Well, then that mooring ball look like they come out far, yam.
Last one.
I terror eyes. Me should have put on this, you know. What, hard plastic or soft floor?
Soft plastic. One with the bigger one can put on.
Yeah. You're supposed to see it to come off at the top of the run. Straight down. Ah. I should have what I should have done is put a hard plastic swim bait on it and let it swim with the rattles in it. I have the Terrorize. I just put a soft plastic on it. I can put a hard plastic on this. That's easy because it will make that noise and bring that attention. And then it's the white one at that. So then you know, it's gonna give that attractiveness. These guys riding up. The hell's that? Oh, your cup? Yeah, guys. See anything else? So you said this all look like jellyfish?
Yeah, you don't jellyfish, and I see none of my so I'm not sure.
You don't normally see them sitting in that column, right? Yeah. And I like them when I'm most likely there, you know. They like towards the pier. Ah, what? This is some kind of... I think you'd have to go alongside them lights. Wherever them lights shine at. Yeah, you have to go closer to the lights. Because... This one, this is 15 and the other one 30. Well, the turn also. Switch on, put on the Terrorize, and this one I'll switch this around. So I really read the supposed to work with still. Terrorize. He's supposed to be the tarpon killer from what I'm hearing. It's hard as hell seeing nothing back here, boy. Oh, fudge bucket. We're jigging off the bottom. Alright, there you go. Locked in pretty good. Alright. Let's get this. Yeah, I'm gonna move it away from here. Move it to the other side. Secure this hook too, so this hook don't go catching nobody. Alright, good deal. I hear fish. You just did that? Oh, you see that? Huh? Yeah? Hey guys, so we out tarpon hunting tonight. Yeah. I'm gonna go down. You hear fish on? Fish on? Oh shoot! You haven't got fish on already? Get out of here. What you got? Here guys. Oh, snapper. Check it out. Dinner is served. Dude. Dude hit the snapper already. That's what's up. Nighttime lure fishing, guys. One for yam. Nil for me already, guys. Why the line running like that? Yeah, man. No? Not yet. So I'm using this DOA Terrorize. So that's what I'm trying. I don't know if it's gonna work. I might have to go to my Zeman Bad Shad in a second. We'll let that drop to the bottom. Do what Yam was doing, bouncing it off the floor. And just work it back to the boat, guys, to the light. See what's up. How much feet is it here? 37 feet? Yeah? I want a spoon jig I use. Huh?
That's not the cast master type.
Oh. Oh, okay, I got you. Bucktail jig, just a regular bucktail jig. See? It's picking up fish below the boat, bro. I'm gonna drop straight down and see what's up. Damn, that shit's still going down? I should have some vertical jigs in there now. Oh. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. On the outside doing some drop line. See what we can pick up here, guys. See if we can pick up a tarpon or something, but I see some activity happening down there. Yeah, you see it in the water? I don't know if it's my eyes deceiving me. No, I'm saying I've seen some activity, and maybe it's a light. Maybe it's a light bouncing off the water towards me, that's all. Yeah. Fish on again? Ah, shit. Yam is killing me tonight, guys. I don't know what's going on with me tonight. I think my lures are not saying anything on tonight. Yeah? Is it? Catch and release? Yeah, definitely catch and release. He's very small. Catch and release. Rank, look at the damn lure. Lure's almost as big as him. And this dude decided that he's gonna catch. Oh my god, bro, that's crazy. The thing is that the only thing that I'd have to put on a paddle tail. You know the jig head paddle tails? The Zemans?
Yeah.
But man, I wonder if they're gonna be able to see that from down there at night. Yeah. If they can actually see that. Well, we'll walk up there then. No, go on, so. Up there, they catch a fish look well, no? Up there, you catch fish look well. All the bait, I not pick up nothing on the bait, yeah, so.
So I put on a light on the first light.
Oh, long John, take off like a gunshot. Where them way pass up there, so. Be a long job. One more just again, back flipping, just go boom, boy, and run back. My boat look wild. Shit, my boat is running a look wild. Right, catch him in the turn, the idiot. Oh, the wish part the light protrude and I open right there, so. Shore fishing. Yeah, I'm going to go park the boat and come back so we can leave. We was out all night, guys, and it's now 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm tired. I'm tired, guys. We didn't pick up a goddamn thing. I swear we didn't. So I mean, it was fun just getting out. That was the whole point of it.